Hello, hello, all you beautiful faces. How's everybody doing today? So, I'm going to, before we get into those Ipsy bags, let's hear from the word of the Lord. And this is Psalm 86, and we're going to read 1 down to, I'm not sure where I'm going to stop yet, but we'll just see where we stop. And the word says, "Bow down your ear, O Lord, hear me, for I am poor and needy. Preserve my life, for I am holy. You are my God. Save your servant who trusts in you. Be merciful to me, O Lord, for I cry to you all day long. Rejoice the soul of your servant. For to you, O Lord, I lift up my soul. For you, Lord, are good and ready to forgive, and abundant in mercy to all those who call upon you. Give ear, O Lord, to my prayer, and attend to the voice of my supplications. In the day of my trouble I will call upon you, for you will answer me. Among the gods there is none like you, O Lord, nor are there any works like your works. I'm going to stop there, and that was verse 8. And the reason why I really feel like the Lord wanted me to tell you this, because, you know, David was a mighty man of the Bible. And Psalms is all about him crying out just in his troubles and under vicious attack of people who were literally trying to kill him. And he wrote all these beautiful songs. You know, it says that David danced before the Lord when they were going from place to place, and he would, I think it was when they were going to battle, and forgive me if I'm misremembering this, but he would take like 15 steps and stop and dance before the Lord. And he danced so crazy that he exposed the family jewels, so to speak, to people. And his wife rebuked him, and she's like, "You're showing the family jewels to all these people. You look like a fool." But God considered David a man after his own heart, because he knew he was flawed. And he admitted it. And he was quick to repent, even though he had someone murdered just because he wanted the woman. But God loved him, and he was a person of worship. But he cried out to God in the midst of his trouble, saying, "You, Lord, will hear me. Help me, O Lord." Like, he cried out to God. So that is our most important thing that we need to remember, because the days are not going to get less evil and less evil. They're going to get more evil and more evil and more evil. But we need to just cry out to God and know that in the midst of our troubles, He will hear us and He will help us. He never leaves us nor forsakes us. Let me tell you, I love it when people remind me of this. You know, when the teacher is teaching, he speaks, and he's talking, and God is talking when he is teaching you. But when you are being tested, the teacher is quiet. That is where the rubber hits the road, folks, is when God is being quiet, because you are being tested and you need to stand on His word. That's when you pick this up and say, you fight with this weapon. This is our weapon. Our greatest weapon is to pick it up and say, "Your word promises me, Father. I resolve this day to put my trust in you. I resolve that lupus and fibromyalgia and mental illness and the things that are coming against me, cancer, whatever it may be, I will not allow it to have me or steal my joy or win in my life, because my God is faithful no matter what." And that's what I've done. You know, when I got to the point where I just said, I am not going to ask God why one more time, I'm done. I'm going to fight with the word, and that is all I'm going to do. And I'm going to stand, and I'm going to know that God is not a man that he can lie. And I resolved in my heart that it does not matter if I go to glory and I have lupus throughout my entire body and other things. I still know that God is God and that he is faithful, that he has the power to heal me in an instant, and that he is faithful and that he never leaves me. Look, we go through things because he takes our tests and he adds the money to it. He takes the test and gives you a testimony. We can never help other people if we have not gone through anything ourselves. So just today, Lord, just say, Lord, I know you are preparing me for something. And the end of this battle is strength, and my foundation even being firmer, and me knowing even more that you are a loving, faithful God who has never left me or forsake me. And you never will. And help me to stand, Father, no matter what winds penetrate against my home or my heart. And I trust you. Trust me. God's eyes go to and fro upon the earth, looking for those who are in faith, not those who are in fear, not those who are whining, why, Lord, why? He's looking for those who are in faith. So just trust him today, I promise. He uses every single thing in our lives to our good and his glory. So just know that no matter what's coming against you, he is going to turn it around for your good and for his glory. So today, this is my second Ipsy from my young profile account, the faux account. And this one is my very last eBay Ipsy bag, which I'm very sad about, I have to say. I'm hoping he's going to get some of the overstock of the updated bags and put them back. I have not checked lately because I just can't spend it right now, but I think he's going to, because this is what he does. So, but we're going to compare the two and see which one got me better. Was it a guy, because it is a guy who sells these? Did a dude pick a bag better for me? Or did eBay or did Ipsy go by my profile and get a bag better for me, for what my profile says? So there is a few things in here, I think, that were over purchases that were extras. Yes. Okay. So here we go. My first item in my Ipsy bag is the Delectable Body Butter Cream Triple Citrus Blend. And this is on that account. I am going to take it off because I have so many hand creams. But I'm telling you, this is my favorite, all-time favorite brand of hand lotion as far as the scents. Like, I am not kidding. It is absolutely some of the best smelling lotions I have ever smelt. And I just adore it. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is delectable. Absolutely delectable. This is the Triple Citrus. I was really not super thrilled that I got another lotion because I have so many, but I'm actually, now that I smell it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's going to end up being one of my new favorites. And this stuff dries. It just penetrates in seconds, and your skin does not feel greasy, cakey, goopy. I love it. Oh my gosh, I just want to drink it. It smells so amazing. So, snaps for first item from the Ipsy bag. So, the Ipsy bag from eBay is a Tarte blush. And this is in the color Idol. This one I think looks kind of more like a highlight, which I do own. Yes, it is more like a highlight. At least to me, I couldn't use that as a blush. But it is beautiful, but I do own this. But this is not a miss for me. This is an item I would love. So I think this is a definitely snaps for eBay. My second item is Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Berry Juice Vegan Lip Gel, and I'm pretty excited about this as well. I have not gotten anything from them before. The color is honestly just kind of want to me. I'm not gonna lie, it is not really the color I would choose out of these. But it's super duper, oh okay, it's really sheer. So yeah, that doesn't bother me too much because it does have some color, but it is super sheer. It feels really nice and light. It does not feel goopy or super oily or anything. This is something I probably will not use during the day unless I get really dry lips, but I will use it. I love to do this stuff at night because I like my lips to wake up moisturized. But it feels amazing. I'm looking for a wipe or something here because I'm all gooped up here, but yeah, I think that's a big score for that. And the thing is, I'm trying to think, I don't think I have lip glosses checked on that account, but I'm still going to consider that a good item because I like it. Oh my goodness, I got another Tarte blush. Oh my gosh, I got an extra item in this bag. Wow, this bag is already doing great. Now this, and it's not the same color, this is quirky. Awesome, I got 6 items in my bag. I got blessed. Now that is a color I would totally use. I think I have quirky as well. I'm pretty sure I have all of these because I do buy Ipsy Overstock, but this is an amazing item. This will go into my Ipsy Overstock stuff. Love it. Think it's perfect, beautiful, totally dig it. And now I got an extra item, so I'm very happy about that too. Okay, my next item from my Ipsy is a Hikari shadow. And this is called Honeydew Cream Pigment. You know, honestly, I think this is a repeat item. I think they have given this color before. I'm almost 100% positive about this. Look, this isn't not an item I don't like. I love the size of the pan. I think it's super generous of them to give as much as they give. I love the shadow, but I am positive that I have gotten this in another bag. So that kind of bums me out, but I'm not mad at it, but I wish it would have been a different color because then I wouldn't, but I know I've got that exact color. So now from my Ipsy eBay, I'm gonna pick, okay, we got MAC Prep and Prime. Now I do not use primer, as you guys know, but this is a great item. A lot of people love Prep and Prime. This will go into my Ipsy Overstock if my daughter does not like this, but this is not a bad item. And they're just sending, like, for what they chose, he sent me really great items. Okay, my next item out of my Ipsy bag is the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which I have received before a couple times in my Ipsy bag. And it's not my color. This is light neutral, and I am a light with a yellow undertone, but I don't think it would be like so bad that it would be, you know, I'm not, but I don't care for their concealer. It's a little too goopy and thick for my taste. But I still think this is a great item, so I'm not knocking it. Another item from my Ipsy eBay is the Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. And I love this. Love, love, love by Dermalect. Love it. Great item. My last item in my personal Ipsy bag is the nail polish from Pretty Woman, and the color is Berry Wild, and it is absolutely stunning, stunning. I do think I own this already because of the fact that I buy Ipsy Overstock. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I do have it already, but it is absolutely my cup of tea. I love love the color. Love it. As a matter of fact, I think it's what I'm going to do next. Maybe. It's so beautiful. So I think my Ipsy bag is absolutely great, and I think it came really close to fitting that profile. I don't think it was perfect, but I think it's an amazing bag for the price. Love my Ipsy bags. And I have 2 items left in my Ipsy eBay, and oh my gosh, I love Antelope lip. This is their lip treatment. This is one of my all-time favorite. It actually has to be my favorite lip balm right now. I use this under all of my super drying lippies, and it just makes them still stay matte but still give the moisturizer without drying my lips, and I love that. Oh my gosh. And I got the Hey Honey Propolis facial scrub, which I love Hey Honey products. Oh my gosh, love. So I have to say, I would say my eBay bag won again because I got an extra item, and every single thing in it I could use except for the MAC Prep and Prime, which is not a bad item though, because it's still a great deal. But I'm telling you, I think my eBay bags have been beating out my Ipsy regular account bags, which is, I hate to say, I'm really bummed that this is my last one. So you know I'm going to probably be going on there today going, honey, maybe you can get me some Ipsy eBay bags for my birthday coming up, so that I have them to do on my channel. But I have loved every single bag, but I think my Ipsy bag was amazing. I did get a Vasanti brush as an extra because I love the size of these brushes, and I love the Vasanti brushes. And I got a couple things for my daughter for her birthday. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.